Welcome to Mega News. Most US taxpayers will face an Internal Revenue Service problem at some point in their lives. It really can happen to anyone, but when it does happens to celebrities, it's a social media gossip. Just look at comedian Steve Harvey. In the year 2008, he found that he owed the Internal Revenue Service up to $25 million. Oddly enough, the internet didn't talk much about his case at that time. When a celebrity gets in trouble with the Internal Revenue Service, it's usually going to make breaking headlines. After all, the Internal Revenue Service loves media storms to scare off the bad guys. My former successful accountant did some, shall we say, not very smart things though, Steve Harvey recalls. But also the loss of his wife. I sat my wife down and she cried. I held her in my arms and told her everything was going to be fine, but it wasn't the case. I was just about to get us out. I just have to work things out. I went to every show, every contract, and worked. I stuck it out there, made a big deal in 2012 and got out. And since then everything has been fine. Wesley Snipes was sentenced to 3 years in prison in 2008 for willfully failing to file a tax return. He was associated with an organization involved in illegal tax evasion schemes. It's illegal not to pay your fair share, and technically the Internal Revenue Service could have jailed Steve Harvey as well. But that would be counterproductive. An Internal Revenue Service agent once said, "We don't want to lock up taxpayers. We want them to work and pay their taxes. If you follow the plan, you will find salvation," just like comedian Steve Harvey. He says his decision was made through a lot of prayer and gratitude. Harvey provided funds to pay the Internal Revenue Service tax in 2012, that was huge sum of money he saved. Ordinary people don't have the kind of wealth that, and they can turn into cash to pay off a huge tax bill. Thank you for supporting our channel by watching to the end. I appreciate and encourage you to subscribe and like the video, thank you.